Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. You hear about the empty nest, but no one talks about how it actually feels. The quiet, the shift, the space where your life used to be very full in a very different way. And at first, it's subtle. You don't notice it all at once. It's little things. Your house, it feels different. Your routines change. There's less noise, less urgency, and a lot more space than you're used to. And if I'm being honest, that space can feel uncomfortable. Not because anything's wrong, but because so much of who we were is tied to being needed every day. And when that changes, you start asking yourself questions like, now what? Who am I in this version of life? But here's what I've started to understand. This isn't an ending. It's a transition. A quiet one, but a meaningful one. Because for the first time in a long time, you get to choose how your days look again. For me, it wasn't about making big changes right away. It was about learning how to sit in that space without rushing to fill it, letting new routines form naturally, letting myself slow down a little bit, and paying attention to what I actually enjoy now. So, if you're in this phase too, here's what helped me. Number one, I stopped trying to fix the feeling. It's okay for it to feel different. That doesn't mean it's wrong. Number two, I started creating small routines just for me. Simple things. Morning coffee, quiet time, getting dressed with intention. Number three, I gave myself permission to rediscover what I like. Not what I used to like, but what feels right now. And slowly, something shifts. That quiet, it doesn't feel empty anymore. It starts to feel like space. Space to think. Space to breathe. Space to become something new. And interestingly, this is also when I started to look at everything differently, even my clothes. Because when your life changes, how you show up in it, that changes too. So, if you're in this season, just know you are not alone in it. And you're not behind. You're just in a new chapter. And I'd really love to know, have you felt this shift also? Let me know in the comments. Because I think more of us are going through this than we realize. In my next video, I'm going to share something a little more practical. What I've been wearing lately. And how my style has started to reflect this stage of life. Because it all connects.